Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best small pool is probably one of the most refreshing and convenient additions you can make to your backyard, offering a perfect escape from the summer heat without the commitment or space requirements of a full-sized swimming pool, making it an ideal choice for families with limited space, renters, or anyone looking for a quick and easy way to cool down and enjoy the outdoors right at home. Number 5. SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad and Sprinkler Pool. This innovative pool makes learning easy and fun. Created by loving parents, it features a learning mat as its base. Your little one can soak up knowledge while they play. Get relief from the summer heat with this inflatable kiddie pool. Designed for children 12 months or older, it offers refreshing fountain sprinklers. Cherish moments as your toddler enjoys oceans of adventures. Keep your kids cool and safe with these parent-approved outdoor water toys. This shallow wading pool and sprinkler promises uncompromised quality. It is also BPA and phthalates-free. We believe learning through play is crucial for a child's healthy development. Educators and researchers agree on its importance. It provides both learning and an outdoor play set in one incredible pool. As parents, we understand the importance of safety and quality for children's toys. If you have any concerns, our customer care team is ready to help. We are committed to making things right for you. What we like. This unique product combines a splash pad, sprinkler, and baby pool with an educational learning mat. If you have young children and are looking for a fun, safe, and educational outdoor activity, this is an excellent choice. It makes learning a blast while keeping them cool. What people say. The small pool offers a convenient way to cool off during warm weather. Its compact design allows for easy placement in limited outdoor areas. The pool is constructed with durable materials, ensuring stability and extended use. Number 4. Intex 58484 EP Swim Center Inflatable Family Pool. Get ready for water in just minutes. Simply spread it out on level ground, inflate its 3 air chambers, and it's ready for endless splashing. This pool measures 10 feet by 6 feet with a 22-inch depth, holding up to 277 gallons of water. It's the perfect size for your family to enjoy summer fun and escape the heat. Crafted with 12-gauge vinyl walls, it's designed to withstand the wear and tear of active summer play. Plus, a patch is included for any quick and easy fixes. Featuring 3 air chambers with a combo air valve, inflation and deflation are quick and simple. A convenient drain plug also ensures easy water drainage when you're done. For over 50 years, Intex has designed and tested its products to the highest safety standards. This affordable and innovative pool is built to create lasting memories. What we like. This spacious inflatable pool is perfect for the whole family to cool off in. Its quick setup means you'll be ready for water in minutes, and the durable vinyl ensures it will last all summer. If you need a simple, large, and easy-to-use pool for family fun, this one is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Intex Inflatable Lounge Recliner Chair with Cup Holders. This versatile lounge lets you relax all day, whether in the pool or on the lake. It comfortably supports one adult, up to 220 pounds, allowing you to catch some rays. Enjoy superior comfort with its contoured backrest and armrests. When deflated, it measures 71 by 53 inches, making it easy to store. Its durable PVC construction is designed to resist sun damage, ensuring long-lasting use. A convenient repair patch is also included for minor fixes. Dual air chambers provide stability, keeping it reliably inflated on the water. Heavy-duty handles are also integrated, making it effortless to carry. Keep your favorite drinks or small essentials within reach. It features convenient cup holders on both sides. What we like. This isn't just a pool, it's a personal oasis designed for ultimate relaxation. With its contoured backrest, armrests, and convenient cup holders, you can truly unwind. If you're looking to lounge, tan, and keep your favorite beverage close by while floating, this recliner is your perfect match. What people say. Number 2. Intex Easy Set 15-foot x 48 inches Pool Set. This pool offers an easy way to cool off with friends and family this summer. It's simple to maintain and fun to own, featuring a spacious round design and a large water capacity. Get ready for water in just 15 minutes. Simply spread it out on level ground, inflate the top ring, and fill it with water for quick and easy assembly. Made with puncture-resistant 3-ply PVC material, it's built to resist the wear and tear of summer fun. In case of any damage, a patch is included for easy fixes. The included 1000 GPH filter pump features hydroaeration technology. This provides improved circulation, enhanced water clarity, and increased negative ions for a cleaner swimming experience. Use it on a completely flat and stable surface for the best experience. All Intex products include a 180-day manufacturer limited warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This large above-ground pool offers instant summer fun for a bigger group. It comes as a complete set, including a filter pump, ladder, cover, and ground cloth, making setup hassle-free. If you want a comprehensive, easy-to-assemble pool package for extended family enjoyment, this option provides everything you need. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 1. Intex 26701EH Prism Frame Above Ground Pool Set. Experience endless summer enjoyment right in your backyard. This premium above-ground pool set offers everything you need for a refreshing escape. It's designed for easy setup and lasting fun. Get ready for water in as little as 30 minutes. Its innovative composite T-joint design and strong powder-coated steel tubing make assembly quick and straightforward. You'll be splashing around in no time. Measuring 10 feet in diameter and 30 inches deep, it holds up to 1,185 gallons of water. This size is just right for families to cool off and have fun all summer long. Escape the heat with your own personal oasis. Constructed with puncture-resistant 3-ply PVC material, it's designed to withstand the rigors of summer play. Should any minor damage occur, a convenient patch is included for quick fixes. Enjoy peace of mind with its robust build. Its composite T-joints create a watertight seal, effectively preventing internal rust. These joints are also infused with a UV inhibitor, ensuring weather resistance and a long service life. This means more seasons of enjoyment for you. The included 330 GPH cartridge filter pump features hydroaeration technology. This advanced system improves circulation, enhances filtration, and boosts water clarity. Enjoy sparkling clean water every time you swim. What we like. This premium pool boasts a robust steel frame and rust-resistant components for enhanced durability and stability. Its advanced crystal clear filtration system ensures cleaner, clearer water with improved circulation. If you're seeking a more permanent, sturdy, and low-maintenance above-ground pool experience, this framed model is an excellent investment. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.